Okay, sing the ABCs. Hooray! Good job. Can you sing me another song? Sing me another song. Sing me 1, 2.
1, 2, burger my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, a big hen.
A big fat hen. Good job. Good job. For a 2-year-old, that's pretty good. 2.5 almost. 2.5. You're cute.